Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you the location and how to open fuel door on 2016 Nissan Rogue. This is gonna apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2014 and all the way up to 2020. Your fuel door on this vehicle is located on the passenger side in the quarter panel, and it is right here. This vehicle has a locking mechanism, fuel door, so that means that you cannot open it from just pushing on it or pulling on it. So what you need to do, you will have to open the driver's door, and now you wanna look all the way down where your left foot would be, and you will see this fuel door lever. So what you want to do, you just want to pull it on it, and now your fuel door is gonna pop out, and now pretty much you just want to open it up. To remove this gas cap, you need to turn it counterclockwise or to the left, and then remove it. To put it back on, you want to align it and turn it to the right or clockwise to secure it. Make sure it clicks. To close this fuel door, you want to just push it in. Make sure it's flush with the quarter panel, and that means the door is closed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.